17. Rearrange the formula to make m and the subject. You have 2m here. Therefore, you need to factorize. So r equal to 2m minus k over m. Expand, bring m over, you get rm equal to 2m minus 2k. So bring the 2m over, so you get rm minus 2m equal to negative 2k. So you factorize, you get r minus 2 equal to negative 2k. So your m equal to negative 2k over r minus 2. Okay, but if you feel not comfortable with the negative here, you also can do something like this. Okay, we just take from here. So Rm equal to 2m minus 2k. So instead of you bring the 2k to the other side, you get 2k is positive equal to 2m minus Rm. So put m, 2 minus r, put the 2k. So m should equal to 2k over 2 minus r. Also can. Okay. Or 2k over 2 minus r. Both answers are correct. So that's all. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your studies. And if you feel that this video helped you, and please subscribe, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.